So if you're having any kind of trouble with your plants, like they're not thriving, they're not growing fast, and you don't want to go on the route of chemical fertilizing, what you can do is just go into your backyard or any kind of forestry, and you can get decaying logs, leaves, mushrooms, any kind of natural rot like that is going to help your plants, and it's going to keep it on the safer side away from all those chemicals. So today we're going to be going over how to do that. Now I like to do like a 20-80 blend, so I'm going to do 20% of the decay of the log and leaves and a few mushrooms, and then 80% of some really good soil, and just mix that, and then I'll sprinkle it over my plants, and I'll show you how to do all that. So let's go ahead and start taking this log apart so we can see what we have inside of it. Okay, so I can already see this is going to be a good log because I see the mushrooms right here, and this is mold here. So that means there's a lot of good nutrients for my plants in this log. So I'm going to start just digging in, and it's super easy. All this here, this is good mulch, and this is going to go into my garden, so I'm going to stick it in my wheelbarrow. And all of this is mold. This mushroom here, this is good. I'm going to put that in there. I have a pretty good portion of this, and now I'm going to go get some soil